Do you find text hard to read on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can make it clearer by enabling high contrast font. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open setting, scroll down and tap accessibility, tap vision enhancement. Under the color and clarity section, find high contrast font and turn it on. When it's enabled, your text will appear thicker and easier to read across the system. You can use this if you read a lot on your phone or want better visibility. If you want quicker access, you can also set a shortcut. To do so, tap high contrast font, then tap high contrast font shortcut, turn it on, then choose a shortcut. For example, enable the accessibility button. Now you can tap the accessibility button, then tap high contrast font to quickly turn high contrast font on or off. And that's how you make your text easier to read using high contrast font on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.